In this short video, we're going to have a quick overview of data stores. As you can see, we have the Data Stores tab selected from our sidebar, and in the navigation pane, we can see all of our folders and data store items. To add a new data store, we can use the Add button from the top, or in this instance, I want to add a new data store to my Buildings folder, so I will add from this button here. Add New Data Store, give my data store a name. If I happen to make a mistake with my name or use an illegal character, then an error will pop up to tell me so. Once I've given my name, I will hit Create, and I'm given the configuration dialog where I need to choose the format of my data store. In this case, I'm going to choose Esri shapefile, and then I will upload my source file by navigating to the folder, adding a zip archive including my shapefile, and hitting upload. We can see that that's uploaded successfully. In this instance, I have lots of options to choose from, and I'm going to click the button to convert attribute names to uppercase. When I click close, it's worth noting that you will need to hit the refresh button in order to pull in the schema, and then you can save that data store. If I expand out my class, you'll see that I get my list of attributes, and indeed they are all in uppercase. If I want to make a change, I'll click the configure button behind this cog icon, and let's say for example I don't want my attributes to be converted to uppercase. I can uncheck that box, hit close, and again note that I will need to hit refresh before I can see that change in my schema. And there we go, that change has been made, and once again I can hit save. We may then want to configure the copy to details for this data store. This is if we want to copy data back to this particular data store, and I can copy, read and commit details by clicking this button, or indeed configure that independently if I so wish. Again, once I close this dialog box, I will need to hit that refresh button to pull in the schema, and then I can save. Coming back to the read and commit tab, you can see I can start to select and deselect my classes, and indeed select and deselect my attributes within a class independently. This data store is now fully configured and is ready to be used in rules, actions, and sessions.